National symbols of India. National motto Satyamev Jayate. National emblem Lion, capital of Ashoka. National calendar Saka calendar. National currency Indian rupees. National vegetable pumpkin. National reptile king cobra. National aquatic animal Ganga river dolphin. National personification Bharat Mata. National heritage animal Indian elephant. National Day Republic Day. Independence Day Gandhi Jayanti.